Okay, here's the snow. And it's really coming down. Can't watch TV. It's covered up the satellites. It's a lot of it, huh? Let's see. Grandpa already shoveled once, and just since he's been gone, it's put down that much more. You hear Logan barking? Grandma didn't have her come out. Okay, come on, Logan. Here's her favorite thing to do. Whoops. Grandma almost fell off the porch. It's pretty cold, too. So what do you think of that? A lot of snow. Logan. Come on. Logan. Come back. She loves it. She's nuts. Okay, well, it's really cold out here. Logan, put your nose in there and show them how you do it. Logan, come here. See, she's already turning white. We're going to lose our black dog, huh? Logan, come on. Come on, Log. Right, well, Grandma's not going to walk around the backyard and everything because I'm cold. See how she's burying her head? Oh, Logan. See, she's pushing the snow. Can you see that? Grandma will walk out here for a minute. See what she's doing. Logan. Yonsey. Log. Hey, you can't hide in that snow. Turn around. Guess she was looking for a spot, huh? Logan. Come here. Let's go this way. Come on, baby girl. Log. Told you she doesn't mind very good anymore. She used to. Let's see how much snow's on that fire hydrant. Come here. Run. Come on, you little fur ball. Yep, there she goes, burying her head. Come on. Logan. Come on. You're covered. Let's go in. Want to? Yonsey? Come on. Alright, well, Grandma's going to go in. I'm cold and going to have to make her go in, else she'll have me all over the neighborhood. I love you. I'll send more later. Bye-bye.